Have you ever asked yourself, why am I on this channel? Why am I watching this video? Maybe, just maybe, you want to get on that ladder and become one of the top photographers out there. Or maybe you're someone who's already doing it but wants to know more. Today is very exciting. In this series, Buhay Photographer, we will be giving you tips, basic knowledge that we at Unit A Creatives have gathered and learned through our previous projects. We didn't always get it right, especially when we were starting in the business. So we are here to show you and help you avoid those mistakes. As a member of the creative community, we found out that it is best to learn with each other and from each other. This helps build community and our respective professional careers. To kick off Buhay Photographer, we will be talking about the things you need to become a photographer. These are the things that we have gathered on our own and have learned through experience, and we have narrowed it down to top 3. First up is commitment. Now ask yourself, do you want to be a photographer? Do you want to be a videographer? Are you ready to take on the life of a professional photographer? You need to be sure about that because there will be weeks, months that you won't have clients. Being a photographer is not easy. There are a lot of competition out there. There will be terrible clients with very minimal budget, early morning call times, late night shooting schedules, even all-nighters. You have to be ready to be always on the go with heavy equipment to carry, and we have gone through all those things. We even had X deals that we had to shoot a project in exchange for food.
My first project with Unit A Creatives was an X deal. It was a sports event by a PPO company, and ang nakuha ko is 4 packs of Buhay.
Sang pagsugod ko shoot, bale lain pa ito nga grupo, ginupdan ko. Gapangapat pa ko gamit, ga-assist ko sa photo, pag video.
Kaya nag-start ko na, pag-start ko sa Unit A, wala kaya camera and so budlay, insindihon, kakapoy.
Now, are you up for that? Is that something you can endure? If you can, and you will, the next thing you need is confidence. You will need confidence in every situation that you will encounter in this industry. You should be confident to take on the project. Confident that you will deliver the quality that you promised. And if you fail, let that be a lesson for you. And still be confident that you will improve as you go on. You have to always believe that you can do it and you will do it. We believed, we failed, we stood up, but we kept going. Lastly, if you're still watching this video, then you surely need to have this. Patience. You need to have patience to make this work. This is a trial and error process. What worked for others may not work for you. What worked then may not work now. You submit a proposal, it gets rejected. It happens, but you have to try again until you get your first project. I'll tell you this now. You won't be good in your first few tries, but as long as you have confidence and commitment, it will work. You just have to add patience into the mix and wait for the magic to happen. Trust me, you will make it. So that's it, the top 3 things that you need to be a photographer. Okay, so I know that you have been expecting for me to talk about gears, technicalities, but not yet. A camera is a tool that you will need. That is true. But can you be a photographer without owning a camera? Yes. Find out how on the next episode. Once again, this is Buhay Photographer. Hit that subscribe button, click the bell, and tell your friends about us.